Let's learn how to get Christmas filter on TikTok. The Christmas filter is a filter that turns an ordinary picture, be it your street, your pet, your house, and much more, into a beautiful animated image. It would be a shame not to use this filter and share it with your family and friends. First, let's make sure that your TikTok application is updated to the latest version, so go on your App Store or Google Play Store and check the TikTok app updated. When you do that, open app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, you need to click on little magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen. Now on search bar, going to type Christmas filter and search for it. TikTok show you 3 filters you can use and videos with this filter. Next you need to do is to click on first filter called Christmas filter. Then you came on TikTok camera with this filter, and first we need to do is to put a song. You will do that but tapping on add sound in top of the screen. That step sends you on menu to choose song, then on search bar type Christmas song. And add a song you want to. I'm going to add first one. When you do that, you can go into recording your TikTok with this filter, and you can share it with your friends and family, and that is it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.